3 Indian Air Force officers have been sacked over accidental firing of BrahMos missile across the border into Pakistan's territory. In the investigation report after the Court of Inquiry into the incident, the 3 officers have been found guilty of deviation from the standard operating procedures or the SOPs. The Indian Air Force issued a statement, and I quote, "3 officers have primarily been held responsible for the BrahMos missile misfiring incident on 9th March 2022. Their services have been terminated by central government with immediate effect." Although the Indian Air Force has not disclosed the identity of these 3 officers in the statement, but according to information received from sources, one of the officers found guilty is a group captain rank officer and 2 are wing commanders, making them officers of considerable experience and seniority. According to the Air Force, the orders of dismissal have been given to the 3 officers on 23rd of August, that is Tuesday. On March 9th this year, an unarmed supersonic BrahMos missile of India inadvertently fell in Mia Channu area of Pakistan during inspection. Although no one was killed in this incident, the cold storage on which it fell was completely destroyed. Pakistan had strongly objected to this incident and demanded a joint investigation. Pakistan had even raised doubts of handling of these missiles by rogue elements. After this incident, the Government of India had ordered a high-level inquiry. Along with this, SOPs related to the maintenance of missiles were also ordered to be reviewed. It is believed that these SOPs have also been reviewed in the investigation report. Later, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh informed the Parliament that the government has taken the incident very seriously. In a statement given in the Parliament, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that even though our missile system is very safe and reliable, if any defect is found in it, it will be rectified immediately. We give top priority to the safety and security of our weapons systems. BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile which can be launched from submarine, ship, aircraft or land. The name of the BrahMos missile is derived from the names of Brahmaputra of India and the Moskva River of Russia. Do tell us in the comments section what you think about this video and subscribe to India Today for the latest news updates.